story goes is that she's very angry at men, and at the beginning is her fury, and then she decides the best way to capture them is to tie herself to a tree, and then Prince Shida comes along and rescues her. Not going on until we know that is. And then you'll hear, and Shalga is Erica, that's you, you're singing your sad song and things, trying to seduce it, da-da-da-dee, da-da-da-dee. Then 103, she seduces it, the big love piece. Then she drugs all the him and all the men with mead, and they get drunk, they fall asleep, and you'll hear magic score. Afterwards, the whole David signals, ba-bam, and then her and all of the female warriors come in, and they kill